Here we have a 2017 BMW 430D M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork which looks absolutely superb. We've also got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle which includes the side skirts and front splitter you can see just here, as well as a couple of other bits at the rear. We've then got our black kidney grills, we've got our second 19-inch alloy wheel. Coming up we've got our M Sports badging, we've got the side skirt just there, colour coded door handles and wing mirrors. Here's a quick look at that full ivory white Dakota leather interior, we'll get more in depth on that shortly. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top, third alloy wheel just there, again excellent condition. We've got this fantastic looking spoiler as well. How aggressive does that look? There we go. We've also got the black rear diffuser, dual exit exhaust on the bottom left. We do have front and rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera. Let's have a quick look inside this boot as well. There we go, great amount of space in here as you can see for whatever you may need. Close that up, we've got a 430D badging just there, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. There we go. Now going on to the interior, we'll start at the rear. Like I mentioned before, we have got a full ivory white Dakota leather interior. How fantastic do these seats look? We've got 2 seats in the rear just there, fold down armrest in the middle. On the sides we've got our integrated speakers as well as the gloss black trim. Coming into the front we've got that same full Dakota leather interior. These seats are electrically adjustable, the driver's seat having memory functions as well. We are also heated too, which we'll see shortly. On the door here we've got our premium Harman Kardon sound system. We've got our power folding wing mirrors as well as electric window controls just there. Stepping inside we've got our auto lights on our right. Now close the door up, we have got keyless start. There we go. Now as you can see we have covered just over 29,600 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. If we take a step back we've got our multifunctional steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls. You've got your paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left, engine start button just behind. We come up here, we've got our infotainment screen, so on here you'll find things like navigation. You've then got your media, so on here you've got things like DAB, FM and AM radio. You've got music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB as well. We've also got phone connectivity, so we can make calls or listen to music from our mobile devices. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse like so, you'll see that we've got our visual display just there of front and rear sensors, as well as our reversing camera on the right. We've also got different driving modes in the vehicle, so you'll find things like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Each one of these having different driving characteristics, so you can pick which one best suits your driving style at the time. And as you can see on the screen right now, it will change the digital display just there too. Now coming down we've got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate control so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, heated seats for both front passengers, convenient shortcuts as well like max air conditioning. Just below we've got the additional storage space, 2 good sized cup holders with 12 volt connectivity. We've then got our traction control button, we've got our different mode selections as well as a button for our parking sensors, gear stick just there. We've then got our control wheel with shortcuts again for the infotainment screen, so this is what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. We've got this lovely silver trim that surrounds the vehicle as well, really luxurious look and feel to that. We've then got our soft leather armrest, which does also double up as storage, and in there you'll find your USB port, and like I said before, you have got the additional storage space as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 430D M Sport. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. As a viewer, I would suggest you listen out for any knocks, any bangs, and really just treat this as if you were here with me in the car today. Now, starting off on the steering wheel here, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, press up on the trigger here, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I'll simply press cruise again, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, down to 5th, down to 4th, back to 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, it's an incredibly comfortable place to be in here. Of course, we've got the full Dakota leather interior with electrical adjustments for both front passengers. So you can make adjustments as simply as that, literally just moving a button. That in harmony with your premium operated sound system. Of course, their seats are heated as well, and then you've got plenty of great features on the infotainment screen too. Plenty of ways to connect your devices to listen to your music. You've got your satellite navigation as well. Just really great tech in here. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. We are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, you'll see that we have over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. If you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media. We are on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok as well. So make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, I am about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. We'll just wait for this passing traffic. Turning in now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Hard on the brakes. Straight into reverse. We've got a visual display of our front and rear sensors, as well as our reversing camera just there. And then one last test as we are about to go over a speed bump, so listen out for any sounds. There we go. Now, as you can tell, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on today's video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.